Hello, this is Mahmoud, and in these slides I will be presenting the strategic innovation simulation for Back Bay Battery as a part of the organizational strategy MGM 6123 course. Back Bay Battery is a company specialized in manufacturing absorbed glass mat or AGM lead acid batteries and supercapacitors for industrial applications. When we talk about market segments, there are three applications: solar power systems, where AGM batteries are used for energy storage, for solar panels, warehouse logistics equipment, and uninterruptible power supply systems. Here we will go through the five main performance criteria for energy storage systems. Energy density is the usage time for delivering the power. We can measure it in watt hours per kilogram. Recharge cycles are the number of times a battery can be recharged. We can measure it in cycles. Self-discharge rate is the rate at which a battery loses charge when not in use. We can measure it in months. Recharge time is the time it takes to recharge a battery up to 50%. We can measure it in minutes, and the battery cost in dollars. Initially, Back Bay Battery has achieved many competitive advantages, such as cost-effective solutions. AGM batteries are less expensive than lithium-ion, while offering battery performance in many applications. Diversity in the market segment, such as solar, warehouse equipment, and UPS. R&D focus and innovation. The company invests in R&D to enhance the product performance in terms of the performance criteria, including energy density, recharge cycles, self-discharge rate, recharge time up to 50%, and process improvement. This focus on innovation helps sustain a competitive edge. When we compare the current battery performance to customer expectations, we find that AGM and supercapacitors meet the requirements in several aspects, such as the supercapacitor recharge in 5105 cycles and recharge time in 10 minutes. However, there are still areas where improvements are needed to fully align with the customer desires. Both AGM and supercapacitor revenues are growing, contributing to overall revenue increases. However, variable costs are rising, particularly for supercapacitors, highlighting the need for cost management and efficiency improvement. The company is moving towards profitability, with operating profit turning positive in year 2. While consistent research and development investment in AGM batteries is crucial, there is also a need to allocate R&D funds for supercapacitors to drive future innovation and competitive advantage. From years 3 to 6, my strategy focused on two main areas: customer satisfaction and financial performance. I prioritized investment in critical improvement to align our offerings with customer desires and closely monitored the income statement to ensure financial health. While this approach yielded positive results in year 3, it unfortunately did not sustain success in year 4 to 6. This highlights the importance of balancing short term gains with long term strategic planning to achieve consistent performance. As an evaluation for my strategy, I should have monitored all relevant KPIs and allocated the research and development budget accordingly. This should have included staying informed about market trends by monitoring the news, aligning product features and performance with customer desires, and adjusting prices based on market size and potential customers. By doing so, I could have ensured a more comprehensive and adaptive strategy leading to sustained success. As a recap of this simulation, the Back Bay battery simulation challenges participants to strategically manage research and development investments, product development, and market positioning over the 10 simulated years. As the president of Back Bay Battery Company, participants must balance short-term profitability with long-term innovation to ensure sustainable growth, managing products across different market segments, aligning product features with customer desires, and monitoring financial performance are the key strategy. These are the references used in developing the strategy for the Back Bay battery case simulation. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to receiving your feedback.